Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about a new release from ColourPop. Not an eyeshadow palette this time. They are coming out with a new mascara. This is the Level Up Mascara. This will be available on the ColourPop website on Thursday, October 14th. Now let's take a close-up look at all three colors of this Level Up Mascara. I want you to be able to see all three colors on the eye, so let's take a look at these mascaras in action now. The price for this mascara hasn't been officially announced yet, at least as of the time I'm filming this, but I'm guessing it's going to be in that $9 range like their previous mascaras. Affiliate codes should work on this launch as well, so you can always use my code to save 10%. It's just Amanda in all caps. Well, this is made in Italy. It's not made in California like the rest of their products. And this does contain carmine. The box I'm showing you is the black mascara, but all three colors have the same ingredients listed. So if you have a carmine sensitivity, I really wanted to make sure to point that out to you. Also, for my vegan friends, of course. The shade names are labeled on a little sticker on the bottom. Otherwise, everything else is the same. The outer packaging, the box, the wand is the same shape and size, just different colors. So this is the brown. And here's a look at burgundy, which is a really fun color option. I'm glad they gave us something a little different. And of course, the black mascara, pretty standard. I'm sure this will be the go-to for most people. I want to test all three colors of this mascara, so what I'm going to do is, I'm obviously not wearing any makeup right now. I want to see a side-by-side of the brown and the burgundy. I'm going to zoom you in really close, and we're going to do burgundy on one eye, brown on the other eye, and just see what these look like, just lashes, no other makeup on. Then when I do all my makeup, I'll wear the black and I'll do more of a wear test with that one on. That way we can see all three colors in action. I also get a little bit freaked out with watching somebody apply mascara, so if you feel the same way, I apologize. Just skip ahead to where they're already applied if you feel the same way. I'm gonna do brown on this side. Here's the brown, the Level Up mascara. This is a super long wand. First impression is that this glides on really, really easily. I didn't even feel like I needed to work very hard to get all of my lashes with this larger wand size. I also forgot to curl my lashes, but I think we'll still be able to see the effect. I didn't dip back in for this remaining work here. There is quite a lot of product on the wand, but it still doesn't get clumped up, which I like. So that's just one coat of the brown mascara versus nothing on. It definitely gives long, wispy lashes. It doesn't look clumpy at all. It doesn't feel too wet to where my lashes are wanting to stick together, but it's also not so dry that it's feeling crumbly or like it's not wanting to stick to my lash. Looks pretty cute so far. I like a really natural lash, and this is definitely giving me that. Let's do the burgundy on this side now. Here's the burgundy. Can't really tell what it looks like on there. Maybe it'll show up a little better on the lash. Application wise, it feels very, very similar. I was expecting with these reddish pigments in here that it may be a little drier or a little more crumbly, but overall it feels like it's going on just like the brown color did. Okay, so this side is burgundy, this side is brown. I don't think the color shows up really intensely. I'll give you an extreme close-up here. And this is just one coat, and also I forgot to curl my lashes, so there's that. I promise I'll remember to curl my lashes when I wear the black mascara. I just do my makeup in such a certain way. I'm just used to the steps, the order of the steps that I do, that it just totally flew out of my brain to actually curl. Let's try a second coat and see how this looks with two coats. Maybe the colors will show up more with two coats. Second coat is gliding right on, still not clumping, still not turning into spider legs. Wow, it's really lengthening. If I had curled my lashes, these would be insane. I still haven't dipped back into the actual tube. This really holds enough product for a very thorough coat. So here we have 2 coats of the brown versus 1 coat of the burgundy. That second coat really did make a length difference. And it's still not clumping up. I love that for me. Let's do a second coat of the burgundy. You'll have to let me know in the comments if you can tell a difference with this burgundy mascara. I think I kind of can a little bit, but without this bright fluorescent ring light, I don't know if it would be enough of a difference to be noticeable just for everyday wear. So let me know what you think. Okay, this is 2 coats. This is the brown side. This is the burgundy side. I think the burgundy was maybe a little bit wetter feeling. Could just be a fluke. Overall, I think this looks really, really, really good. Hopefully the black is just as good. I like the way these look. My lashes look lengthened. They're still separated. They don't look clumpy or spidery. I think they look really good. Can you see the burgundy more? I can't really tell. I don't think there's a huge difference in color. I don't know. Can you tell a difference? Maybe when I'm editing it, I'll be able to tell a difference. Even from this distance, which is more of a conversational distance, you can really see my lashes. They look really defined. I hope that I enjoy the black mascara wearing throughout the day as much as this initial first impression has impressed me, because I think that this looks great. This is really my style. I think if you like a really, really thick, fluffy, more dramatic looking lash, then you may not enjoy it as much, because this is definitely a long, wispy, more defined kind of lash. But I think it looks great. Okay, let's go to test the black mascara now. Okay, I did remember to curl my lashes this time. Now we're going to try out the black mascara. Here's what it looks like up close. Pretty standard. I don't know if you've ever tried to narrate a mascara application before. I cannot recommend it, as there's just only so much you can say about a process that I'm assuming most people who are watching this video have experienced and hopefully at least somewhat perfected many, many times over by now. So I'm just going to let you know that overall the black mascara seems to glide on just as easily. It doesn't feel too dry. It doesn't feel too wet and sticky. It's definitely a very quick and easy type of mascara. You don't have to work with it and separate your lashes. So I love that, because I like things that are easy, and I like to be able to not have to think too hard about every step of my makeup application. I do prefer this with 2 coats. I just really love the length that it gives me and the definition in my lashes. Even though this isn't a volumizing type of mascara, my lashes are still able to hold their own against this really, really bright, colorful eyeshadow. So I think that means that the mascara is really doing a lot of work, while still maintaining a very, very lightweight feel on my lashes. It's layering up nicely. It looks very defined, very natural, fluttery, beautiful, all the words that I want to use when I'm describing my eyelashes. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like after I've been wearing it for a few hours, and we'll see how it holds up. Okay, I'm back for my check-in to see how this has been wearing. It's really only been about 3.5 hours, but I've got to get moving, keep it moving. Got to go pick up the kid from school soon, so this is what we're working with. But it's better than nothing, so here we are. No flaking or smudging at all. Not even the tiniest bit, actually, which is very impressive. This is not a waterproof mascara, by the way. My curl has fallen out a little bit. It's not like it did an incredible job holding the curl or anything, but that's a pretty normal thing to happen over the course of several hours. So not a huge fault, just something to note. Lashes still look long and wispy and separated. And I also want to point out that when I touch my lashes, they don't feel crusty and stiff. They feel very, very soft. I mean, it feels like my eyelashes. Does that make anything fall if you touch them? We'll find out for the glasses wearers. Let's see what happens. No flakage, no smudgage. Like I said, I've only been wearing this for about half the day, but so far so good. I'm really happy with it. And I also wanted to mention that when I was testing the brown and the burgundy, when I removed those, they came off really, really easily. I just used a little bit of Bioderma to remove my eye makeup, and they came right off in a breeze. I wasn't having to scrub. I wasn't dealing with tons of mascara all over my face, which sometimes happens when I'm in the process of removing. So these went on really easily and they removed really easily, which I like. I don't want to fight, especially in that delicate eye area. Overall, I really like this. I think this is a huge improvement from the BFF mascara. I didn't really love that. That one made my lashes look a little clumpy and uneven. And full disclosure, I never tried the Act Natural mascara, but I really, really like this one. I'm definitely going to keep using it. Absolutely will repurchase this because this really fits my style. I like a more natural, long and wispy, kind of soft lash look. If you're into a really thick, dramatic lash, you probably won't like this as much. But for me, for my personal style, this works perfectly and I love it. I didn't notice a big difference with the brown and the burgundy. The colors just didn't show up crazy well for me. Could just be user error. Happens. But formula wise, I really like this. Packaging, wand, everything worked really well for me. So I'm going to keep using it. I would definitely recommend trying it if this is the type of lash look you're interested in. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about this release. Will you be adding this to your next order? Are you looking for something more dramatic? Which color are you most interested in trying? I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! So I'm gonna zoom... So we'll see. Let's Level Up Mascara. It's backwards. I got annoyed of my hair about 15 minutes after I finished filming the first segment. I'm going through and testing all of the Glamlight Happy Hour Happy Hour palettes. Even my bloopers have bloopers. So that's what I'm wearing. Isn't it so vibrant? This looks just like when I put it on, which has been hours now. It looks so fun and pretty. I love it. Spoiler alert. Level Up Lengthening Mascara. Nailed it. Burgundy. A fine burgundy. Color are you most... Oh, I'm also testing this out. So far, so good. Since I'm trying it with a new palette, I don't know who to attribute it to, but I mean, overall, good combo. Can't hurt. Okay, I gotta go do other stuff, but I'm glad that we had this time together, and I'm always happy that you're here. You know why? Because I love your face. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye!